All right, meteorologist Dean Davis, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, Roanoke Weather Today, Weebly.com. We are talking heat and the strong temperature increase that we are going to see in the hot, humid air, and it's going to be long term. We're going to have a very short break and go back into this. We are in the dog days of summer, I would suggest. So taking a look at the temperature profile right now, we're up in the 90s. We're expecting to hit 96 here in Roanoke, 97 in the area of Lynchburg, and 90 up in the Philly region. As we head into tonight, we drop into the upper 60s, low 70s, before we crank back up tomorrow to near 90 in Philadelphia, 98 in Charlottesville, 99, nearing 100 degrees in Roanoke, Lynchburg, Danville, and Richmond. I would suggest that likely have a couple 100-degree temperatures tomorrow. So, you think that's bad? Wait until Thursday, when we actually do reach 100 degrees in Roanoke, likely in Lynchburg and surrounding regions. We likely get near 100 degrees in Philadelphia and the regions of the Highlands. So we are really going to be cranking it up. And this doesn't seem to really be going away anytime soon. 93 on the day on Saturday, 90 in the Philly region. We get to Sunday, 99. It's like really a never-ending heat issue, except for when we get to Monday. Monday actually may be the coolest of the days in the next 2 weeks, or a week and a half. I should say, where we get 89 and 91. And that will go for Tuesday too, before we really start cranking back up again to 95 to 100, 90s in the Delaware Valley. By Thursday of next week, if this holds, we're going to be really, really, really cranking up heat here in the Southwest Virginia area. But the back to cold front will hold temperatures down in the Delaware Valley to around the 80-degree mark, while in Roanoke will be 103 degrees. And that's without the humidity. So humidity will be cranking too. So this won't be dry heat. This will be wet heat like normal. By the time we get to next Friday and Saturday, that is likely going to be when we'll finally get a break from the extreme heat, where we only will get in the mid 80s. Which, trust me, that would be a very big helpful thing to occur, because we will be sweltering otherwise. So, long-term heat issue. If you have animals, make sure they're inside the air conditioning and drinking plenty of water. People, drink plenty of water if you're working outside. More breaks, lots of water. Check on your elderly and people that have illness. Please, it's imperative you do this. So now we're going to go into storms or tropical entities. Let's start off 12Z, looking at the GFS, see where we get with it. As you see, there is going to be showers and thunderstorms during the time frame to get some cool down when we'll get to those 100-degree days. But geez, that Bermuda high really will be cranking in. And the thing is, there was originally a tropical system, and I don't see this tropical system on the map anymore. So that's what's going on. It's like these models are spitting out some weird things they see, and it just don't occur. We'll go to the Euro here in a minute and see what it's saying, but that's why you never believe one model. I mean, yesterday was spitting out a Cat 5 on the UK. Like I said, that's why we don't go too far ahead, and we don't people really concentrating on one model. It's an irresponsible meteorological thing to do. It really is. And I, for one, won't have that as a forecaster. So you see the Bermuda high keeps the heat in. Like I said, we get a little bit of cool down and it heats right back up. And the system doesn't show up on this either. So what we're seeing is going to be warm, hot temperatures for a longer period of time, and then some rain in between, which is because of the capping inversions breaking for thunderstorms. Over the next 6 to 10 days, we see above average temperatures here in the northeast, below average here in the plains. You kind of can see where the high and the low are, and where the storms would operate would be between the two. So it'd be more zonal in that aspect. One thing I do like in the next 3 to 4 weeks on the outlook for the climate prediction channel, we actually see cooler than normal temperatures. Which, let me tell you, after this heat wave, you're going to want that. Other than that, that's about what we have for you today. Stay cool and stay hydrated, and we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching. Have a great day.